Okay.
We are going to play the conversation between a elder sister and a younger brother. I am playing the younger brother of her.
And I am going to play the role of sister, elder sister. What are you doing here?
I came here with my friend.
Friend? Where are you?
The friend just left the place.
But you tell lie because I fall off on your friend.
I was here with a girl. She is one of my friends. You did not meet her.
Friend or girlfriend?
She is just my friend.
But if she is your friend, only friend, so why are you receive her from the hostel?
Okay, now I have to admit she is my girlfriend and we are together since 2 months. And we are in a very good relationship.
Oh my God. You know him 2 months, but I know her from childhood. She is not perfect for you.
I don't believe you. She is very nice girl. I don't meet anyone like her in my entire life.
You know him for 2 months, but I knew her for 17 years, so I knew him better than me.
Why are you saying she is not perfect for me?
Because she has many affairs.
I don't believe you. If you give me proof, then I may believe you.
Okay? Then I'll show you proof. If I show you proof, then you have to leave from you.
No, I promised her that I will marry her at any cost. If you can't accept our marriage, then I will jump from our roof.
How selfish you are. If you marry the girl, then you leave from our home. And if you, in future, if you suffer, then we don't help you.
Okay, first you show me the proof, then I will tell you about.
You know, she has many fake ID in Facebook.
No, I don't know about.
Who is she?
She is.
Is she your girlfriend?
Yes.
So who is the boy?
I think the boy is her just a friend.
Then who is she with her?
He might be another friend of hers.
Why you told me that they are just his friends?
Because I believe her, she can't cheat me.
But she cheat with you.
Then show me another proof, I will believe you. Take me to her boyfriend, another girl.
Okay, fine. Her another boyfriend is my friend's brother. Then let's go.
Go. Anyone in the house?
Yes. Come in.
Actually, I am your sister's friend.
Oh, please sit.
Thank you. Thank you. I have some questions. Are you Suchandra's girlfriend? A boyfriend?
Yes, yes.
How many times you were?
We are together in last 2 years. But for 2 months, she ignored me and even she did not receive my phone. I don't know what happened.
She ignored you. The reason is he is
What?
her recent boyfriend.
What?
I don't know
Is she
anything.
cheating on me?
Yes. Also, she cheating with my brother.
So what should I do?
How much money do you spend on her?
I have already spent 2,000 money on her.
And how about you?
From the 2 months, I spent like 1,000 money.
So what you should do?
You both of you block her number, and if she call you, don't receive her phone. She is not perfect for both of
It
you.
could be very tough because we are together for last 2 years.
Really, I know, but
Thank God. Please stay.
Thank you,
what
sister.
about you?
I will.
Still you.
No, I will reject her. I will block her from my contact list, and I will not meet her anymore.
Okay, fine.
I also.
Thank you for opening my eyes.
Thank you.
Welcome.